Mystery curtain here. Today we're unlocking the secrets behind a device that's been the talk of the tech world. Stick around as we run real-world tests. The Tecno Spark 40 is the latest entry-level smartphone that has been generating attention for its stylish design, impressive features, and extremely affordable price tag of just around $110. At first glance, it is the design that immediately sets this device apart from the usual crowd of budget phones. Unboxing the Spark 40, the packaging is nothing extraordinary, but the real value lies in what's inside. Like many Chinese smartphone makers, Tecno provides a complete set of accessories. Even in this low-cost range, including a protective case, charging brick, and cable. The included case is a flexible TPU cover that feels sturdy and fits snugly, matching the color of the phone itself. The real bonus, however, is the 45W fast charger included in the box, which is impressive considering that a standalone charger of this speed could cost between $16 and $20 if purchased separately. Holding the Tecno Spark 40 in hand reveals a design that feels refreshing for its class. The highlight is the rear camera module, which spans almost the entire top half of the back, and is shaped like a large rectangular plateau reminiscent of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The lenses are arranged in a triangular layout that looks premium, although in reality only one of them is a functional 50 megapixels main sensor, while the others are infrared modules that serve more for aesthetics than actual photography. Still, the design achieves its goal of making the phone look stylish and more expensive than it actually is. The back panel is made of matte plastic, with a glittery effect that catches light when tilted, which helps resist fingerprints and smudges while feeling comfortable to hold. The frame is also plastic but well constructed with a seamless finish. On the left sits the SIM tray, while the right houses the volume rocker and power button. At the bottom you get a USB-C charging port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microphone. Surprisingly, the Spark 40 comes with dual stereo speakers, one at the top and one at the bottom, which deliver a more immersive audio experience for movies or games. On the front, Tecno equips the Spark 40 with a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display. Resolution is limited to 720 by 1600 pixels, and maximum brightness is only 700 nits, which means outdoor visibility under direct sunlight can be challenging. The bezels are still fairly thick, especially the chin, which is common in this segment. However, Tecno redeems this by offering a 120Hz refresh rate, a rare feature at this price point, making scrolling and app navigation smooth and responsive. Under the hood, the Spark 40 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 processor. Performance is modest but sufficient for basic daily tasks, like browsing, messaging, and video streaming. Benchmark scores hover around 230,000 on Antutu and about 1,300 in Geekbench. Multi-core, aligning with the real-world experience. For gaming, titles like Wild Rift and PUBG Mobile are playable only at the lowest settings, as medium or high settings cause noticeable lag and stutter. Multitasking also leads to occasional hiccups, though day-to-day operations remain usable. The phone comes with 4 GB of RAM, expandable with up to 4 GB of virtual memory, and 128 GB of internal storage, which is plenty for apps, games, and media. On the software side, it runs Android 15 with Tecno's iOS 15.1 skin. The interface is simple, functional, and user-friendly. Surprisingly, the Spark 40 includes NFC support, a feature almost unheard of in this price segment, making contactless payments possible. Tecno has also integrated its AI suite, Tecno AI, featuring tools like the Ella Assistant, AI text writing, and AI-generated wallpapers that can be customized to personal tastes. An infrared blaster is also present, allowing the phone to double as a remote control for household electronics, a small but convenient addition. In terms of cameras, the Spark 40 is basic but serviceable. The front-facing 8-megapixel selfie camera delivers acceptable shots for video calls and casual social media uploads, with natural colors and decent detail. The rear houses a single 50 megapixels main sensor that performs fairly well in daylight, producing vibrant colors and decent sharpness when shooting landscapes or objects outdoors. In low light, however, photos suffer from noise, slower focus, and motion blur, making it less reliable for night photography. The battery is another strength. With a 5,200 mAh capacity, the Spark 40 can last 7 to 8 hours of active use for web browsing, video streaming, and social media, and lighter users could easily stretch it across a full day. The inclusion of 45W fast charging is a standout feature, drastically cutting down charging time compared to most phones in this price range. Even more impressive is its reverse wired charging capability, allowing the phone to function as a mini power bank for accessories like earphones, smartwatches, or even other phones in emergencies. Altogether, the Tecno Spark 40 stands out in the budget category by offering a unique combination of premium-inspired design, useful AI tools, strong battery performance, and extremely fast charging at a price that barely crosses $100. While its performance and display are limited, the extras, like NFC, dual speakers, IR blaster, and bundled 45W charger make it an excellent value proposition for anyone seeking a stylish and feature-rich entry-level phone. The Spark 40 is a surprisingly capable option that punches far above its price tag.